Today on offer at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers is a Champion Western model, seen here in the black metallic roof and a large decor on the side of a Western reiner. We bring these models in with the rear door ramp combination as a feature, so you can create a step-up model, or we can switch this to the ramp and you can have yourself a ramp entry. I've just switched over now to the rear ramp entry. It was easy, swung the door closed, and with the pull of the pin and release of the ramp handle at the top, we're good to go. So this is a 31-inch wide stall. It's a little shorter stall than the English version with lower chest bar settings for your typical quarter horse, around 15 3 hands. And you have tinted windows that can open outwards. They pop out. This one's open already. I'll just close it. Easy to do. Hay net ring in the roof and a clamp on the top of the saddle cupboard, so you have different positions to put your hay. That's a blue-white light that you're able to change to at nighttime. Blue light reduces anxiety in all mammals, so great for horses, and also makes it glow at night so the oncoming traffic headlights are not going to be bothersome to the horses. On the side here you can see again that great decor, and then this is a Western tack cupboard. 2 saddles, easy for Western racks. You can set them at different heights. You have the cleanup kit, which is the shovel and the broom, a step stool, places to hang things, a shelf, hooks, and then the all-important mirror and another bridle hook with a net. This is the Western Champion, great for 2 horses, up to about 16 hands for the stall length. Check us out at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers.